I had a lot of fun a few days before Christmas. I got a package in the mail from Finland. It was a camera Obscura lens from Bonfoton. It came in a lovely silver package that contained the lens, simple directions, and a metal plate which attaches to magnets when you want to block the sunlight. I then spent the next hour turning a room in my apartment into a camera Obscura, which works the same way as any camera, or your eye. The lens acts like a pupil and allows light, which travels in straight lines, to enter the dark room, creating an upside-down and backward image of the scene outside. I had already done measurements and purchased 6 sheets of black railroad board, which is like poster board, but the fibers are dyed all the way through, making it more opaque. I also bought black masking tape and already had a box cutter and straight edge. Bonfoton supplies a circular logo which serves as a template for cutting the right size hole in the board, and the lens has adhesive on the back so it easily stays in place. So I checked my measurements, cut the board, used the tape, and before long I had turned the room into a camera Obscura. The view from this window is the famous Watergate complex in Washington, D.C. For those who might be bothered by seeing the scene upside down, Bonfoton also sells a device called the Up, which incorporates a prism, which sets the image right side up. Either way, the results are remarkable.